Hello everybody and welcome to Word Problems Questions 5. So in this question we have two painters A and B who've agreed to complete a job in 35 days. However, painter B is new and only produces 60% of the work that painter A produces. Now they both worked together until the end of the 10th day, and then painter B broke his hand, so from the 11th day painter A has been working on his own. And we have to find out how many days the job was delayed. Now when painter A and painter B work together, they produce 1.6 days of work every day. So in 35 days they would have produced 35 times by 1.6, which is equal to 56 days of work. However, they only worked together for 10 days, and after 10 days they've produced 1.6 times 10, which is equal to 16 days of work. But they needed to produce 56 days of work, so they have 56 minus 16, which is equal to 40, so there are 40 days of work left to do. So from day 11, painter A is on his own and produces only 1 day of work every day. So he has to work 40 more days. So the number of days they've worked in total is equal to the 10 days that they worked together and the 40 days that painter A worked alone, which is equal to 50 days. And originally they said the job would take 35 days, and 50 minus 35 is 15, so the job is going to be 15 days late. In the next question we have two solutions. Solution A has 14% of hydrochloric acid and solution B has 80% of hydrochloric acid. We're asked to work out the ratio in which we should mix them if we want a solution with 50% of hydrochloric acid. So if we draw a small number line with the percentages written at the bottom, you can see that between the lowest percentage and the highest percentage we have 66%, and between 14% and 50% we have 36%. Now 36 divided by 66 gives us 6/11ths. So we could split this line up into 11 pieces between 14% and 80%, and there will be 6 divisions between 14% and 50%, and 5 divisions between 50% and 80%. So the ratio of A to B is 5 to 6. Now you can also work this problem out algebraically, which you may prefer, and I think it's probably easier, you're less likely to make a mistake. So we have 14A plus 80B, and that's equal to 50 in brackets A plus B. So if we move all the A's to one side and the B's to the other side, we have 14A minus 50A is equal to 50B minus 80B. So that means minus 36A is equal to minus 30B, and 6A is equal to 5B. So A divided by B is 5/6, or the ratio of A to B is 5 to 6. Well, that's it for now. As always, thanks very much for watching. I hope it was helpful. And if you did find it useful, I'd appreciate it if you press the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, if you could subscribe, that would be fantastic. And I'll see you soon.